Frank Lloyd Wright's only private home in Florida hits the market at $2.13 million. A rare architectural treasure awaits. Imagine owning a piece of architectural history that's truly one of a kind. That opportunity has just arrived in Tallahassee, Florida, where the Spring House, the only private residence designed by the legendary Frank Lloyd Wright in the entire state, is now available for approximately $2.13 million, according to ArtNet. But here's where it gets fascinating. This isn't just any Wright home. It's a rare gem set on 10 acres of lush woodland, completed back in 1954, and it represents a unique chapter in Wright's creative journey. Known as the first drawn of only 2 pod-shaped houses Wright ever designed, the Spring House stands out with its distinctive form that resembles a ship, a fitting tribute to its name inspired by a nearby natural spring. The home's sweeping curves define its living spaces, creating an organic flow that's both inviting and innovative. Its design is a prime example of Wright's hemicycle style, a concept he explored later in his career, notably while working on the iconic Solomon R. Guggenheim Museum in New York. The hemicycle approach features semicircular floor plans embraced by curved glass walls, allowing sunlight to flood the interior throughout the day, connecting the indoors with the natural world outside, spanning about 2,000 square feet. The Spring House is constructed from concrete blocks and cypress paneling, materials chosen for their durability and natural beauty. Inside, the open floor plan is enhanced by a built-in bench that curves along an entire wall, inviting residents to relax and soak in the expansive views of the surrounding forest. Upstairs, a balcony overlooks the main living area, where a double-height glass wall lets in abundant natural light across both floors. Additional sunlight pours in through a thoughtfully placed skylight, brightening the home's interior. The living room and primary bedroom each feature a curved cement block fireplace nestled in the corners, adding warmth and architectural interest. On the first floor, rust-red concrete floors provide a cozy splash of color, balancing the home's earthy tones with a touch of vibrancy. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom residence was commissioned in 1950 by Clifton Lewis, wife of prominent local banker George Lewis II. At the time, Wright was nearby designing the campus for Florida Southern College, which adds another layer of historical significance to the property. The Lewis family has maintained ownership of the Spring House for over 7 decades, but rising restoration costs have now prompted them to put this architectural masterpiece on the market. And this is the part most people miss. Owning a Frank Lloyd Wright home isn't just about the prestige. It's a commitment to preserving a visionary piece of design history. The Spring House challenges conventional homeownership with its unique form and materials, raising questions about how we value and maintain architectural heritage in today's world. What do you think? Is investing in such a distinctive and historically significant home worth the challenges it presents? Or should these treasures be preserved in other ways? Share your thoughts and join the conversation below.